Can you change a frame shape in Adobe InDesign? Hello friends, welcome to this short tutorial. If you cannot find the shapes in Adobe InDesign, then this is the right tutorial for you. Most of you are aware of this Shapes tool over here, but there are only 3 of them. Do you need to draw the shapes yourself using the pen tool? No, not at all. Press L for ellipse tool, or press M for rectangle. Let's draw a square on this page, like this. Let's put some image inside it. I am going to take this image, drag this image and drop it on the square shape. Now, if you want the shape to have round corners, then go to Object, Convert Shape, then choose Rounded Rectangle. See, the corners are now curved. You can even adjust its roundness over here. On the top, in the control bar, increase and decrease the values the way you want, whatever suits your needs. Let's undo this. Now, choose Bevel Rectangle. Now, your shape will have diagonal cuts, making it an octagon. Now, let's choose Inverted Rounded Rectangle. Now, you will get this octagon once again, but with round cuts on the corners. Now, choose Ellipse. You will get this circle. If you stretch this, it will form an oval. Now, choose Triangle. You will get this equilateral triangle. When you stretch it down, it will form an isosceles triangle. You can even use this direct selection tool to form a rectangle triangle, and more. Now, choose Polygon. The shape will be transformed into hexagon. Now, choose Line. The shape will be a diagonal line. If you cannot see the line, you should turn the shape into a stroke. Now, choose Orthogonal Line. It will form a straight horizontal line. I hope this tutorial helped you learn the number of shapes in Adobe InDesign, how to use these shapes and how to convert them to other shapes. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at javasumro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Javasumro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Javasumro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.